Damn.
All the fucking water.
I can hear it.
Yo, look at this fucking mold.
This is definitely the basement.
Yeah, this place has seen better days.
What the hell is that?
There's bones in there. It's some kind of animal carcass.
It's like something got
Someone
lit
had
on
a fire in here. People always gotta light fucking fires in these places.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't walk on this part.
Oh my god. Back left corner, don't walk. Oh, this shit. Oh. This stuff's not as bad. There's still some good wood under there.
Yeah. Just a little charred. That stuff looks like it's burned all the way through. Or
Yeah.
enough that it would fucking buckle. This side's not as bad. There's no water. Oh, hell no. Yo, come check this shit out. Yo, we got the vent room.
There's a vent. Yo, there. Yeah. There's a vent room. Oh. Very nice. Watch your stuff. Watch your stuff.
They're sitting across from each other, nodding off. Fucking losers.
It's a Narcan. Dude, they weren't just sitting. They were jacking off.
What?
Watch your fucking stuff.
Oh. Is that lube?
Probably can be used as lube.
This is fucking weird. I don't want to be in here anymore. Look, they got the Pringles can. They got the fucking glove.
Oh no!
Yeah, they're beat in there, bro.
Oh my god.
This is the nut room.
I wanted to know somebody fucking fucking came in here and saw this shit.
Yeah.
I want to
Disappointed.
fucking know.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's the
here we
green
go.
room.
Don't watch your step.
Shut her up.
The clipper. He's using side cutters to cut people's fingers off. That's impressive. That's a tough cut.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a. Don't tell me they're fucking shitting in here too. Damn. It's a pretty fat squirrel.
I know.
Oh, there he goes.
Some tinfoil? No.
Hell no. You got fucking
Horrible.
ants from being in here.
Horrible, awful things happened on this couch, man.
Yeah, look at all the white stains.
Ooh. Dare you to take a seat.
Yeah, $10 if you sit down.
You'll get fucking pregnant if you do that.
Dripping on me. Oh, damn.
Just waiting for somebody to step on it.
Right in your foot. 10-hour emergency.
Right.